Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered that how you can set up the OPCDA client module in the Neuron for data acquisition from CAP server OPCDA server. Okay, so now in this video what we are going to do is we are going to use the same module to connect with metric and OPCDA simulation server, and we are going to read the data from metric and OPCDA simulation server. Okay, so if you visit the Neuron module, then in the previous video we have created this module OPCDA client module, and in the OPCDA client module we have created one client which is our CAP server local client. Okay, so we are going to use the same module. If you go to the module, then you can see OPCDA client module. So we are going to use the same module to connect with metric and OPCDA simulation server as well. Okay, so let's see how you can do that. So if you visit the module, then here you can create one more new client. Okay, so this is our metric and local client. Okay, so this is how you can create multiple client for the same module. Okay, so this is what we are going to cover in this video. So we have created metric and local client. Okay, and the program ID for that is I have extracted here metrican.opc.simulation.1. So I'm going to paste it here and we are going to save it. Okay, that's it. Now we will create a tag for metrican local client as well. So we will go to the tags here, and here we will create new group which is our metrican client tag folder. Okay, and here we will create a tag which is our new tag, and the name of the tag is integer1. Okay, and we will expand it. The type is number, the format is integer, and here in the source we have to provide few details. So are we going to enable the tag? Yes. The module type is OPCDA module, so OPCDA client. The module name is this one, OPCDA client underscore module, and the client. So here we have to provide this name which we have created just now here, metrican underscore local underscore client. So I can also copy it from here. We will go to the text and here we will paste that, and the item ID. So item ID will be my tag address. Okay, so here is my tag address, random.integer1. So I'm going to paste it here and then I'm going to save it, and we will navigate to the real time, and in the metrican client tag you can see the value. Okay, 69. Now we will go to the config section again. In the tag I'm going to change the OPC scan rate to 1000 millisecond for faster communication. So we will save it. We will go to the real time. You can see the value is 1411465.8. Okay, now here I have one more OPC client software. Okay, let me open these two things parallelly. Yeah, so we will connect to the metric and OPC simulation server, and here you will see the value. Okay, 65, 18, 58. Okay, so this is how you can compare the values, and here you can see continuous value update at every 1 second. Okay, so this is how you can communicate with any OPCDA server from your Neuron software. You just have to create one OPCDA module in the Neuron. Under that module you can create multiple client connection. So first we have created CAP server local client connection, and then after we have created the metric and local client connection. Okay, and if you have another OPCDA server running on your network or running inside your local system, then also you can add that OPCDA server connection here in the model. So I hope this thing is clear, and yeah, that's all about this video, that how you can set up OPCDA client module in the Neuron for data acquisition from metric and OPCDA simulation server. So we have already set up the module, I mean OPCDA client module in the previous video. So we are going to use the same module, but we will create new client connection. Okay, for metric and OPCDA server. So here we have created new client connection, and you can see that it's working and we are having the values. You can see the value of metric and client tag, and here you can see the value of our CAP server client tag. So I hope this thing is clear, and I hope this is also clear that how you create OPCDA client module in the Neuron and how to configure the OPCDA client connection in the Neuron. So if you still have any question or any doubt regarding this, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp. Also you can comment on this video. Also you can send me a mail. So we will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye and thank you.